Okay, so here's the deal. We moved the pigs over to this pen prematurely because you can see that pen still has quite a bit of grass in it. So we have two choices. We could just go ahead and move them anyway, or what I've decided to do, because we don't have much longer before they go in, so I'm going to open that section back up. They have been fighting over one hole. There's actually another hole that they started over on the other side, so I figure if I open it up and they have two sides, they could each have their own hole. And they've gotten into a habit of dumping their water, or they're getting in their water bowl and they're laying in the water bowl, meaning that means I have to come out and I have to water them sometimes a couple times a day. So I'm hoping that if I open it up and they have more room to, like mud holes, that maybe they'll stay out of the water. So here's the problem. Not everybody talks about this because it just seems like everybody's always got nice friendly pigs. Beans actually is pretty friendly, but Pork here, she's a biter. So when you have a pig, pigs can be aggressive. So you have to be careful when working with them, especially if they are like Pork, where she is a biter. So what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna have to do is I need to get their water out of here, and I'm gonna put it over in the other one, get it all cleaned up and washed up, get it over there, get it filled up, because they have it pulled away for the fence. So I actually have to go into the pen, which can be pretty dangerous, especially when you got an aggressive pig. So I'm gonna do the smartest thing I possibly can, and that is I'm gonna bribe them. So I've got some chicken eggshells. They love eggs anyway, and because I've been freezing eggs, and I also have some stuff that we have that went bad in the garden. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed that to them, and basically I'm gonna bribe them over to that side of their pen so that I can get in on this side, and hopefully do that without beans or without Pork biting on me. So wish me luck. Also, if you are dealing with an aggressive pig, never do this by yourself. Kenny's not here to help me, and you got to get things done. So we're gonna get it done. The sun has starting to set, so it's actually getting fairly cool. I want to get this done and get them in their new pen and water, and so yeah, here we go. And we got the water over there, so now I just got to get it cleaned up. And yeah, I'm smelling very lovely right now. Aren't you glad you don't have smell-o-vision? Woo! Okay, let's get over here and get this done. Okay, so I don't know what happened with the video there. I was busy getting that all cleaned up, and then when I come over it was off. So don't know what happened there, but anyways, I'm gonna get this filled up.
What's wrong with that area? Why is that
This is one of their mud holes. So there's their big mud hole. I'm gonna open this back up, let them back in over here. Because evidently they moved in too early. Because there's still a lot of green here. So I'm gonna open it back up. But I had to bribe them to get them over there because Cork's a biter. I was like, man, I'm not here by myself. Don't really care to be jumping in that pen with a biter. They don't look that big, but they're stronger than what you think they are. I was not sure. She is a biter. Like, watch, as I try cutting this off, she'll be trying to figure out ways to get in here and bite me.
You're gonna be that 80-year-old woman that won't take help.
Why?
Because I felt like I should have helped you. I feel bad not helping.
I don't really know. There was nothing you could have done.
I know, but still.
Well, I hope I am that 80-year-old lady not getting help.
Well, you gotta break yourself.
No, I will not break myself. Okay, so there we go. We got it open. Now they got 2 pens. Actually, 1 big pen. So they'll be able to get this grass up. They got a mud area here, mud area on that side, and fresh, clean water. So, yeah. And I need a shower. Whew. Well, I figure I'm already filthy and disgusting. I might as well go ahead and get the chicken coop cleaned up too, because it's summertime, so it's getting pretty rank in there. So get that one cleaned up too. Got a bucket out here. I'm gonna scoop it in here because I'll be able to use this on the garden late this fall. So yeah, let's have some fun. Usually try to do a better job of keeping the coop clean, but I've just not been on it this year. Coop was so dirty, but lost the egg and all that. I don't know about everybody else's chickens, but mine always has a tendency to have a favorite box. This one is their favorite. don't do the really thick layer in the pen in the summer, just because in the summertime, because of the heat and the smell and everything, I clean it out more often. So I do put a pretty thick bed in there in the wintertime, just for insulation and stuff like that. But clearly 90-degree days, they don't need any insulation. I also have the back opened up for ventilation. Yeah, and always make sure that there is water. I actually have 2 of the regular waters, and then I have bowls, and the bowls, especially if it's going to be like super hot days, I'll fill the bowls up too. And honestly, they don't really drink so much out of the bowls, but they do like to play in it, and which is weird because chickens don't like wet feet, but when it's hot, they'll take wet feet. Okay, pigs moved, chicken pen clean, nasty, disgusting, sweaty, smelly, gross mess. Yeah, that's the end of this video.